Hello, dear viewers. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. In this video, I would like to show you how to calculate equilibrium concentration C and amount adsorbed at equilibrium Q for effect of concentration or isotherm study using Excel sheet. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, I have carried out adsorption isotherm at four different temperatures, and I have already prepared this Excel sheet to plot equilibrium concentration versus Q at four different temperature. Now I will show you how to calculate C. For example, here experimental condition is mass 10 mg, volume uh, 50 milliliter, and temperature at different temperature. So here is the initial concentration 1 ppm, 5 ppm, 10 ppm, 20 ppm, 30 ppm, and 50 ppm. And this is the absorbance of 10 ppm. This is the absorbance of 10 ppm methylene blue solution, which is this. Because in case of adsorption isotherm, you also need to measure the absorbance of standard solution at this concentration. For example, the absorbance of 1 ppm solution is this one. Then absorbance of 5 ppm solution is this. Then 10 ppm is this. And for 20 ppm is this. See here, we have used dilution factor. This has been already explained in another video. So these are the absorbance for 1 ppm, 5 ppm, 10 ppm, 20 ppm, 30 ppm, 50 ppm after adsorption. So, in order to calculate equilibrium concentration, just equal to this. So, this is C16. C16 means absorbance of sample into C14, initial concentration, divided by C15, absorbance of standard solution. So now, if you enter this will give you this. And if you scroll down this, you will get uh, equilibrium concentration for initial concentration 1, 5, 10, 20, 30, and 50. So this is the equilibrium concentration for this initial concentration. Now, in order to calculate equilibrium amount adsorbed at equilibrium, just click here equal to initial concentration minus equilibrium concentration into 50 divided by 10. 50 is the volume of solution and 10 mg is the mass of adsorbent. So using this formula, you can easily calculate the amount adsorbed at equilibrium and enter this. And if you scroll to right, then you can get the amount adsorbed at equilibrium Q at different initial concentration. So after calculating all this, you can use like this 25 degrees, 35, 45, 55, and now if you plot all this, you will get a plot like this. So after some modification, you can make it publication quality. So this is how you can easily calculate C and QE for isotherm study using Excel sheet. That's for today. If you have any query, please do leave your comment. and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.